Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change account location on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Roblox and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen, click the Settings icon, and then click Settings. Scroll down and you'll be able to see your current account location. Roblox does not allow you to directly change it from the settings page. To change it, you need to contact Roblox support. Scroll down until you see the Help section and click on that. From here, click on Roblox account, I need help with my account. From there, scroll down and click See All Articles. Then scroll down again and look for Account Location and open it. Under the section that says, How do I change my account location, click the Need More Help, Contact Support here. This will open a new page. Here, enter your contact information, including your username, your first name if you want, but this is optional. Now enter your email address and confirm it. And under Device Type, choose PC if you're using a computer. For the Type of Help category, select How To, and for the Help subcategory, choose How To General. Now, in the description box, explain that your current location is incorrect and you would like it updated to your correct country. You can write something like, Your current location is wrong and you would like it updated to your correct country. Once you're done, click Continue and submit the form. After that, just wait for Roblox support to respond. They'll contact you through your email, and once they verify the information, they will update your account location. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change account location on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.